Hey, how's everybody doing today? So I got one of these diesel heaters, and when I fired it up, it worked perfect. It just had on a low setting. You could hear a little, almost like a little tick, 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 tick noise coming from the fan. So anyways, took it apart. I did some research. One guy said it could possibly be one of the little magnets, which I'll show you in the video that I'm going to add here in a second. But mine actually had a little piece of plastic, and it definitely looked like it was rubbing against something. So you'll see what I did. I'll show you before and after sounds, but it's perfect. Maybe this might help somebody else out if you've got a similar issue. Anyways, here we go. Alrighty, so another video stated it could be these magnets. Just spin it by hand, I can hear it. What I found was, look at this. This little piece sticking out here from the plastic. So I'm going to take my X-Acto knife. I can hear this when I'm spinning. I just don't want to lose my spot. I know I could refine it, but that's okay. So I'm going to shave this off and see if that makes a difference. Alrighty, so it only took me a couple seconds once I got a light propped up. But it's off, and as I said, I could spin it and hear it, and now I'm not. So I'm going to fire this up again, and we'll see if that corrected the issue. Well, that was it. Noise is gone. So that was a pretty easy fix.